nice and gentle. Twist them around so you don't cause any damage to your bathroom. Use your toes and your feet if you have to. On some screens I will replace these, but these are in good nick. The only reason I'm not going to replace these is because of the age of the shower screen. They're in good condition. Where the screw, if you can see the screw go through the flute and into the framework here, it's a stainless steel screw. It's a 6-gauge screw. It'll be a 1.5 inch screw. On the inside of here, I can't get any spray or lubricant in there to actually release the screw. Given the age of the screw, there's going to be electrolysis. That's the reaction between the stainless steel screw and the aluminium. There's a electrolytical reaction, and what happens is the screw actually gets soft and the aluminium corrodes. So if I get the screwdriver and I try and crack that screw out, that's as tight as anything. It's just going to snap. It's going to snap where it enters the aluminium. Same thing on this side, you can probably get a better view of it on the top. So there's the screw in there, and it goes into the aluminium. If there is any electrolysis, and if you can see from the side here, there is a slight little bit of corrosion, electrolysis reaction in there. If I snap that screw off, I think you throw the shower screen away at this point. Just a little trick. No need to change it, don't change it.